Any question? Hello. Hello, any question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, I will take only 5 minutes more for another case study. Okay, similarly, the next case study is IKEA. This is the world leading manufacturing company, or you can say that is household appliances or household furnishing companies. So in case of environmental effect, to reduce the environmental effect without hampering or without effect any kind of jungle or forest, the Akai is used to the e-wheels concept, or that is known as environmental impact e-wheel concept. So this particular tool is used in case of evaluate the environmental impact of its product, and the E will help Akai to analyze the 4 stages within the life of product. So you know the Akai is the largest manufacturer of home appliances and furnitures. So they also supply to improve their understanding of the environmental impact of the product they are supplying. So approximately 50% of Akai, that is around 9,500 products, are made from wood and fibers. So this is the good resources as long as it comes from the sustainable sources. It can be recycled and renewable sources. So most of the woods are recycled and renewable. The same policy is adopted by an Indian government, that is known as JK. So most of the paper should be done through the recycle process or renewable sources. They are using air for renewable sources, for solar for renewable sources. Even if they are used for transportation activities, they are assigned some e-vehicles also. So due to that activities, what are the activities that should be considered in case of Akai Industries? To make its activities more sustainable, Akai has to set up many local UK initiatives. In case of in the year 2006, the Akai UK recycle more than 70% of waste product, and its goal is to recycle 90% of material from United Kingdom. To reduce the environmental impact, in the year 2006, Akai UK started to charge for carrier bags. So whenever a company charges for carrier bag, no one use the charges, no one use that particular carrier bag. So due to that thing, the use of carrier bag is reduced up to 95%. So in the year 2007, the Akai UK removed carrier bags from its store completely. In the same manner, in the December 2006, the Akai gave up brand new folding bikes to each of its 9,000 employees. It gives subsidized travel ticket to encourage them to travel to and from work on public transport. The Akai UK has provided low energy light bulb to entire UK workforce and switched its fleet to company car to low emission hybrid models. So most of the car used by or vehicle used by Akai, that should be converted into hybrid model, and that produce low carbon emissions. So these are the steps which adopted by Akai Industry. So due to that collaborations, there's such a sustainable partnership. So in the year 2006, they are tied up with UNICEF as well as WWF, that is World Wildlife Fund. So this UNICEF partnership, they directly communicate different program in northern India. They aim to work to prevent the child labor and rising awareness and addressing different root cause of this particular child labors. The same thing in case of WWF, they have committed themselves to promoting sustainable use of natural resources to help to ensure the forest can be used both now and in case of future. And finally, these are the success. So due to that sustainable supply chains, the sourcing material close to supply chain reduce the transportation cost. So most of the Akai industry is placed nearer to seaports. The building its distribution center closer to seaport so that it can use more of your ocean transport and less use of road transport. So due to that thing, they can reduce the transportation cost. And the next point, delivering the product directly from the supplier to Akai store. This slashes the handling cost, reduce the road mileage, and lower the carbon footprint. And finally, the warehouse attached to their retail stores. So these are the things they have successfully done. So that's all from my side. Any question from your side, anyone? Okay, fine. That's all from my side. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.